Pakitakin lang po ang ating mga damit. Pati short. Salamat. Yeah. Holding up free jersey, Sir James Adela. Passes Joseph, 19. 19 dribble the ball. Pass to 20. Pass again, 19. And pass it with James. And take a three, third down. Yeah, Leonard pass to 2. Jersey 2. Number 2 dribble the ball. And pass to number 1. Push. No. Pompo Montilla. Dribble by 19. Dribble by 19. Fourth. Push and dribble. Pinasa po sa number 3. Adela. Pass to Homero. Homero. Take shot. No. Not counted. Number 1 jersey. Steal by Serrano. Pass to 19. Pinasa po sa number 3. Pinasa sa 28. Dribble by number 2. Still by number 19. Kiana Homero. Dribble by 19. Dribble 19. Take a shot. No. Pass. Pass for 14. 34.
Ano ba yan?
34 will ball the ball.
Di
Pass on
makashoot.
number 2. Number 2 take a shot.
Ano ba yan? Huwag na kayo mag-basketball.
Baby Spain ball.
Huwag na kayo mag-basketball. Wala pang score, oh.
Dribble by number 28. Pass to number 3. Take a 3. No.
Ano ba yan? Bakit ba mag-ano? Parang pinasok mo pala dyan eh.
Tempo dinibig ko na number 1. Ayan na. Ay! Sino po 18? Pinapasok ko sa number 18.
Yan, ano ba yan?
Ayoko na. Kapal po na ako.
Ayusin mo, D. Shoot by number 14 ka na.
Take a 3 on 3 point!
Stop. Stop daw, stop.
Adela take a 3 points. Pass to number 14. Push! Oh! Get a hitting shoot the ball. Hitting.
Stop.
20, dribble the ball.
Stop daw, stop.
20. Pass to number 3. 3. Pass to number 18. 18. Post. No. Pass in the 14. Oh, you have the party shot. Oh, count. Paul Pine, number 34.
Stop.
Substitution. 3 out. Number 16 here.
Pwede na.
Yeah. That's counted. That's bullshit. Dribble number 2. Number 2 dribble the ball. Pass to number 34. For us, take a wow. Take a shot, number 2. Number 2. 19, dribble the ball. Dribble the ball. Dribble po na 19 ang bola. 28, force. Out of bounds. 14, tiga 18. 14, dribble the ball. 34, dribble the ball. Ini-end one po ang bola. Ayan po, number 8, take a shot. Oh, Montano, sir. Number 18. Pass on number 28, dribble the ball. Ayan po. Ayan po, ipinasa po sa malaking katawan na si number 16. So, number 1. Yung po ang malapit. Yeah, out of bounds. Heavy spin on leather ball.
Let it go. Stop daw mamaya.
Ay, busok tayo dalawa.
Ito, boy.
Number 16. Oh. Foul. Foul by number
Stop.
34.
Stop.
Substitution.
Ayan. Ayan.
19 out, 16. Substitution. Number 34 out, 30 in. 34, second personal foul. Tito Boy, ano ba ang masasabi natin sa laban na ito ngayon? Medyo magandang laban to.
Sarap.
Lumalaban. Number 8, rebound by number 8. Steal by number 6. Number 14. Good shot by number 14. Number 1, dribbling the ball by number 1. Pass to number 2. Randy Farnias. Dribbling the ball by Farnias.
Baby.
Number 30. Technical.
Problem.
By number...
Yeah. Who's technical, sir? 40.
Foul.
Tito Boy, parang napakainit ang laban natin ngayon dito ngayon. Technical by number 14. Substitution. Number 8. Happy viewing po daw kay Miss Queen.
Wency Seso.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Ito ang machine na nagpapaganda.
Moja, moja.
Number 28. Number 7. Number 28. Number 2. Number 2, moving the ball by now. Tumira sa labas. Rebound by number 16. 28. Number 7. Chris Aquino. Good shot by Chris Aquino. Takbo Memorial.
Go back.
Number 1. Foul by number 14. Timeout. Step.
Nice game. Baby.
Ang titubo. Anong mga sabi mo sa laban na ngayon ng Davis Pink ang ladan ng Steph Linen Green? Masasabi ko lang, magaling ang mga player. Tito Boy, kumusta naman ang pagkain ng toasted siopaw? Masarap. Parang lasa. Back to the burger. Magaling ang batang to. Ang number 1. Bata ka pa. Marami kang pupuntahan. Umpisahan mo na daw. Maglayas. Number 7, 7, and 20. Pass to 18, pati 7, take a shot. Okay. Number 21, Number 7, get the ball. Number 7, grabe itong batang ko. Hard play, Bano, dumukot.
Saan?
Number 2, Randy Farnias. Baba ng bola. Easy layup by Randy Farnias. Number 30, still by number 30. Number 30, binababa ang bola. Number 2, Farnias. Pass to number 24. 24, tumira sa labas. Wala. Na-rebound ng number 21.
Sub.
Substitution.
Sub by Sandro Arroyo. Number 6. Go, baby. Baby.
Remaining time, 3 minutes and 12 seconds. Foul by number 7, Aquino.
Ang hard. Hard maglaro.
Aquino, first, personal, foul. Thank you po sa sponsor ng Toasted Siopaw.
Stop. Mamaya later.
Aquino, dribbling the ball by Aquino. Aquino pass by number 6. And number 16, drive by number 16.
Go, baby.
Dumog sa ilalim. Number 24, drive by number 24. Oh, number 24. Dahan-dahan lang. Mamabalian. Number 2, Randy Porñas. Drive by number 2, Porñas. Rebound by number 2 ng Davis Payne. Unleaded. Number 7, Chris Aquino. Nasaan si Noynoy Aquino?
Nasa bahay.
Chris Aquino tumira. Pinasa ulit kay Ryan Cayabyab. Number 30. Number 2, Randy Porñas. Nag-dribble. Last 2 minutes.
Stop.
Substitution. Number 30. Moving the ball. Pass to Porñas. Porñas. Moving the ball by Porñas. Number 6, Saldana. Tapos, Saldana. Yellow ball. Aquino pass to number 6. Number 6. Dribbling the ball by number 6. Pass to number 30. Number 35. Oh, umupo. Umupo sa ere.
Namamangga.
Foul by number 35.
Go, Taba.
35.
Go, Tabab.
Number 24, Kobe. Ito po ang Kobe ng step. Si Gonzales. Foul by number 7, Chris Aquino. Number 21, tumira sa labas. Wala. Number 7. Chris, nag-dribble ang bola. Double team. Pinasa sa number 2. Number 30, De Leon. Number 6. Pass to number 2. Tumira. Tapos. Nakuha ni De Leon. De Leon. Oh. Sembo. Number 35. Right by number 5. 24. Shot clock.
Meron na mag-basket.
Substitution.
Go, baby!
Number 24. Pumuporma, pinasa sa number 21. 21 tumira, wala. Nakuha ulit ang number 21, oh. Outside by number 21. Labak po ang Davis ng 6. Number 7, nagtidribble. Number 30, pass to Aquino. Oh, 24.
And the
And
first
the
quarter.
first quarter.
Yes, baby. Mga bigati na lang.
Score 12-6. Favor of Davis. End score 12-6.
Tubig!
Bakbakan sa double play. Villa Megala.
Tubig! Danis!
Let's ready to the second quarter. Oh yeah.
Beginning of second quarter.
Step up, ball. Happy viewing. Sa mga magandang dilag na nasa baba, nagpapasalamat po kami sa inyong pagdalo sa labang na ito. Yeah! Salamat sa sponsor ng Toasted Siopaw. Kahit hindi ko pa natitikman, masarap pa rin siya. Amoy pa lang, busog ka na. Pasok na si Manny. Pasok si Manny.
Go, Jun Daiso.
Number 12 by Dasot. Number 21. Miranda. Pass to Dasot.
Go, DJ.
Umira. Number 1. Binababa ang bola, number 1. Oh, drive by number 1. Oh, good shot by number 1. Takbong Manila Zoo. Takbong
DJ.
Batang Rugby.
DJ.
Number 12.
Danis!
Binigay kay Miranda, number 8. Number 8. Naghanap ng papapasahan. Binigay kay number 12. Number 12, pinasa sa number 27. Oh, Ago number 1. Pinasa sa number 8. Number 8, Kahoy. Oh, good shot. Oh, good by Kahoy.
Kakahoy! Nice shot! Time out! Time out ka mamaya.
Pagna.
By Davis, time out.
Oh,
Time out!
2 points by number 21.
Janet!
Number 1, drive by number 1. Naagaw na number 12, ni Daisok. Daisok, pinasa sa number 21. Bumalik. Number 8, Miranda. Oh, good shot by number 27. Number 34. Batang Solvent. Ang tawag tumira. Number 1, good shot by number 1. Time out, David. Showtime. Unleaded. Score 16, henceforth 10.
Ay!
Remaining level 8 minutes and 35 seconds. Happy viewing nga pala sa gagandahang babae nasa baba ng ating inuupuan. Magandang gabi, bayan.
Ay, Janet!
Back to the ball. Ito na po, pinasok na po ang matindi ng Davis. Number 23, Manny Niguez. Number 12, Umira. Oh, good shot by number 12. Tingin naman
Number 1. Pinasa kay number 8. 21, tumira sa labas. Wala. Rebound ni Manny. Grabe to si Manny. Kapapasok lang. Naka-rebound agad. Imposible to.
Oo, talaga.
Pinasa.
Wala.
Manny. Nakuha ni Manny ang bola. Oh. Tumira. Survive. Number 1. Pinasa kay Kahoy. Batang Kahoy. Good shot by Batang Kahoy.
Sab. Ayan. By Davey, sab.
Number 12.
Dani! Hoy, bingi!
Number 12. Tumira sa labas. Rebound by number 1. Nakuha number 21. Survive. Nakuha ni Manny. Survive si Manny. Oh, good shot by Manny.
Pare,
Manny.
Manny,
Ikaw ang batang henyo. Manny Anidoro. Good shot by Manny Anidoro.
Wala.
Rebound ni foul by number 40. Sir John.
Sab.
Substitution.
Sab, Manny Pacquiao.
Substitution.
Wala.
Number 14, first personal foul. Three points po ba yun? 2 points. Dano. Outside by
Sab. Ayan na.
substitution. Subdivision. Greenwoods by subdivision.
Ayaw ka talaga.
Number 14, umatake, foul by number 14, second personal foul by number 14.
Tubig!
Shoot yun, walang sayang. Tapos pala. Lamang lang po ng dalawang Davis, maganda po ang laban. Yellow ball. Number 12. Nagdidribble ang number 12. Number 28. Pinalik sa number 14. Dano. Tumira. Number 2. Nagdidribble. Cornias. Revive si Cornias. Oh, good shot by Randy Operator Cornias ng Esos and Estel.
Cornias talaga. Cornias.
Rebound on number 14.
Sab.
Traveling violation by number 14. Substitution. Number 27 to number 3. O anim ang player, natasamsa. Technical. Dapat 5 lang ang player, may pasok. Technical, blue team.
Libre niya ako, tubig.
Uuwi na po ba yung ating mga news? Naggaganda ang babae sa balak ng lupa. Mamaya na po kayo uwi. Wala ko na may inspirasyon dito.
Natalo naman kayo.
Happy viewing kay Cream Ren Suceso.
Number 21, number 2. Number 2, drive by number 2. Oh, good shot by number 2. Kanina ba to? Hindi lang pang forklift operator, pang basketball pa.
Hindi lang pamamila.
Magaling pala to si Randy. Tatay-tahimik. Number 28. Oh. Number 19. Pinasa. Number 2, Randy Vargas. Pass to number 3. By Kapos. Bye-bye. Number 28. Waba. Nag-dribble. Grabe yun ah. Jump, number 14. Rebound by number 28. Number 2, rebound by number 2. Number 2, dribble. Number 17. Pinalo sa 21. Oh, nakuha number 28. Pinasa ni Dano. Sa number 19. Bumaba. Oh, umikot. Oh, good shot by number 19, Joseph Lee.
Ba.
Number 2, Randy Fornas. Tumira sa labas by Randy. Number 28, Ryan. Foul by number 6, Saldana. Foul by Saldana. First personal foul by Saldana. Substitution. Ryan. Good shot by Ryan. Last throw. Ryan. Tumira. Good shot again by Ryan. Tito Boy, nag-dribble si Tito Boy. Ito po ang pangatlong Tito Boy, nag-dribble.
Yan yan, puli yan. Puli.
Substitution. Number 18. Ginaiba number 19 ang inyong bola. Pinasa kay Ryan. Pinasa kay James. Number 3, James. Tumira, wala. Pinasa kay Ryan, number 28. Number 28. Tumira si number 28. Pinasa kay number 19. Tumira. Wala. Wala pa rin. Naribaw ni Randy. Fornas, pinakaba ang bola. Randy. Nakuha ni Roma. Oh, outside by Roma. Number 19, dribble ng number 19.
Stop.
Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. Number 28, Timira. Wala. Naribaw number 1. Number 1.
Stop.
Stepping on the line.
Stop.
Line ball.
Stop. 5, 3.
Substitution.
Stop. 3.
Number 18, Dano. Pass to James, Sir James. James, Tumira. Wala pa rin. Randy Tamura, still. Na-rebound po ni Christopher Aquino. Chris, nagdadala ng bola si Chris. Drive si Chris. Oh, good shot by Chris Aquino. Number 1, foul by number 7, Chris Aquino. Third personal foul by Aquino. Non-Davis. Tito Boy, nandito din po si Tito Boy.
Robin.
Dezina number 1. Pinasa kay Roma. Wala pa rin. Outside by number 1. Number 7. Moving the ball by number 7. Joseph. Pinasa kay Rodriguez. Rebound by Rodriguez. Blue ball outside by number 3.
Tambak.
Number 3, Roma by pinasa kay number 9. Still by number 2. Number 3, wanahanap ng mapapasahan. Pinasa sa number 19. 3, 2, 1.
End of second quarter.
End of second quarter.
Lamang step.
End of third.
Step.
Tito Boy, ang laban ko ay 27 and 22. Tingin mo kaya maganda ang laban pag talagang may score na yan? Back to the building. Let's start second half.
Yes.
Yeah. Let's rock.
Yes. Yes.
Pole position by Davis Paint on leather.
Marta.
Number 12, dribble the ball. Pass to number Chris. Number 7, Chris Aquino. The ball by number 30. Pass to number 24. Get on number 24. Dribble the ball. Drive. Nawala po ang bola. Foul by number... Ano yan?
Ikahoy, bagsak.
16. Bagsak si Batang Kahoy. Pasensya na. Napag-utusan lang po. Last bonus shot. Free throw by Well, number 8. Shoot. Number 12, dribble the ball. Dribble the ball. Pass to number 16. 16. Oh, yeah! Pushing foul by number 14. Fourth personal foul. Yeah!
Wala na, limited ka na.
Huwag mong ibaon, huwag mong isaga. Itira mo lang. Baby.
Baby!
Yeah. Last bonus shot. Free throw by number 16.
Yes!
Good. Pass to number 34. Dribble the ball. Dribble. Dribble ng dribble. Pass to ng Batang Kahoy. Pass to number 34. 34. Oh! Troubling violation. Rock your body. Number 12, dribble the ball. Pass to number 6. 6. Pass to number 2. Oh! To get the foul by number 14. Graduate. I'm sorry. Napag-utusan na.
Ina.
5 personal foul by number 14. 7, dribble the ball. Number 12, post. Nagtuturo po. Parang si Jimmy Boy. Chris Aquino, pass to number 16. Pass to number 2. Yakura! 24, dribble the ball. Dribble the ball. Dribble and dribble. Ganoon, naiwan po ang bola. At ang tao ay naiwan din. Yeah, TV's playing on the ball possession. Number 2, pass to Chris. Number 7, Chris Aquino to 9. Sir Chris Walter, take a pass by number 6, take a 3. Oh yeah! Oh, get by Batangay number 8. Bola dribble. Oh yeah! Masarap, pero masakit. Foul by number 12. First personal foul. Oh, yeah. Bonus shot. Good. First free throw. Second free throw. Good. Voila. Number 12, dribble the ball. Forced by number 8. Forced. Yung po, umakatake. Pinasa po sa number 6. Number 6. Oh! Yaman and popcorn! Still by number 1. Number 1, dribble the ball. Dribble. Dribble. Oh, pass to number 30. Back pass. Oh, yeah! Number 30. Good. Dribble by number 6. Number 6, dribble the ball. Pass to number 16. 16. Oh! Foul by number... Who's foul, bro? Number 1.
Baby.
Time out. Number 1. Time out by Davies. Davies paint on ladder. Siguradong subok. Pakay. Pakila mo. Committee, mga official dito na naglilista. Sub.
Sige, pasok lang po.
Pasok lang. Back to the ballgame! Let's rock and Gulo. Free throw by number 610. First free throw, good. Second throw, last bonus shot. Wag mong itaas ang iyong kilikili. Thank you. Yeah. Good. Number 30, dribble the ball. Dribble. Number 2, Roma. Oh.
Ano yun?
Who's foul up? Walang foul. Sorry po. Napagutusan lang. Yeah, third quarter po. Cornias. Number 2, dribble. Drive. Up. Number 28, rebound. Jump. Who's foul up? Number 24, ang Batang Gilas. The recovery. Right. Yes. Up. 5. 5 na yung ball mo, pre. Number 12, take a shot. Oh, number 16, push the ball. Who's foul rep? Oh, yeah. Isang mulupit. Foul by number 30. Substitution. Padayo in 24 out. Second throw. Take a shot. Good. 30 dribble the ball. Out of bounds. Substitution rep. 12 out, 8 in. Remain well. Ipasa mo, i-dribble mo. Yan number 16. Hop step. Oh yeah. Number 1, dribble the ball, dribble. Oh, back dribble. Up. Who's foul rep? Number 8. First personal by number 8. Bonus shot by Virginia, the Solvent Boy.
Stop, step.
Lucina, sorry, napagutusan na naman.
Stop, step mamaya.
Second throw. Last bonus shot.
May stop down na.
Sub. Sino? Ay, mamaya na daw. Later. Not shoot. Number 1, Basuna. Oh! Parang malupit na tira yun ah. Number 8, pass to number 16. Dribble po ang bola. Pinasa po sa number 2. Number 2, Rodriguez, pass to number 8. Miranda. Take a shot. Oh! Number 1, rebound the ball. Oh, take out number 28. Oh! Who's last touch, right? Seymour. Substitution rep. Subdivision. 30 out, 21 in. Pasok. Number 8, pass to number 2. Para number 2, take a shot. Oh! Yeah! Ganun talaga ang tirang malupit. Binibitin ng bola. Sari. Yeah, pass number 9. Number 9, dribble the ball.
Stop down.
Pass to number 1. Dribble the number 2, dribble the ball. Oh, pass to number 1. Lucina, take a foul. Counter.
Stop. Mamaya.
Foul number 7. Sub position.
Time out. 5.
Time out. Time out. Step up. Step. Oh.
Talo.
Time remaining. 5 minutes and 18 seconds.
Talo. Hey.
Magpapasalamat kami sa mga nanonood ngayon. Magandang gabi sa inyo, bayan. Tito Boy, anong masabi mo sa toasted shop? Number 7, fourth personal foul. Warning on yellow. Number 7. Lucina take a pro dribble. Yeah. Shot. Counter. 16 dribble the ball, pass to number 8. Miranda dribble the ball, dribble, pass to number 18. Pass to number 14. Pass to 16, second drive. Who's foul rep? Number 21. Take out throw. Number 16. First drop. Good. Second drop. Yeah!
Ingay po.
Number 2, force by number marami. Who's foul rep? Number 18, pushing foul.
Pau, bum pa.
Technical.
Bum pa.
Number 2, dribble the ball. Penalty. Number 21, 3 points. No, okay. Oh, last shot by number 15. Penalty. 18, pump. Oh, yeah. Number 8, dribble the ball. Drive, shoot. Pure hit, don't.
DJ! Woo! DJ!
14 dribble the ball. Pass yung batang kahoy. Nakuha po. Number 9, pass to 8. Number 8, take shot. Yeah, nice layup.
DJ!
Yeah.
DJ!
16, dribble the ball. 16, points. Not counted. Number 14, pump post, shoot. Push the ball again by 14, shoot. Ball number 14.
DJ!
Number 9, pass number 8. Number 8, dribble the ball, forced by number 8. Offensive foul, right? By number 8. 18. Foul by number 18. Pushing foul.
Pushing foul.
Falling pala, sorry.
Hindi ako na. Wala. Okay lang.
Sensya na po. Ano yun? Thirty-four, shot by number 2. 13, rebound, pass to number 18. 18 dribble the ball, pass to number 8. Number 8. Okay. 16, take a drive, not counted. Rebound by number 1, forced by number 18. Who's forward? Number 18. Who's forward? Penalty. Ilang ba? Third personal foul by number 18. Substitution. Free throw. 2 free throw. Bob Sim, number 1. Doc Solvent ball. Itira mo. Itinira niya. That counter. Second draw. Free throw by Lucina. Last throw. Oh yeah. 18 rebound the ball. Hits in. 18 rebound the. Pass to number 8. Dribble the ball. Number 8. Miranda. Number 20, Ryan Kayabgab. 20, dribble the ball, pass to number 18. 18, 20, take a three. Not counted.
Foul, save.
Pass to number 2. Number 2, dribble the ball, dribble the ball. Oh, nice move. The veterans move by who's foul rep. Counted.
Stop.
20,
Stop.
27.
Stop. 19.
Substitution. 18 out, 19 in. Group bonus shot. Yeah, not counted. Run by number 28, number 28. Dribble the ball, dribble. Pass the number 19. And pass, a dribble. Oh. What? Fancy? Number 12.
Seven pa?
7.
Wala naman 7 dyan lang.
Dribble the ball. Number 2. Ayan po. Ayan, nagawa po na. Ayan na. Number 2, pinasa po sa number 1. Number 1, drive. Nice move.
Stop. Wait.
Out of bounds.
Stop.
Substitution. Number 20 out, 21 in. Number 6 in, number 9 out. In or out, in or out. Substitution.
DJ, nangyari.
Number 6 and number 8 out.
DJ.
In and out, in and out. Pasok labas. Number 19, post. Pass to number 6 again. Pass to number 6. Drive na! Blocking foul! Oh! Dribble na naman. Number 21. Pinasa number 2. Good. 21. Dribble the ball. Number 6. Now pass to number 19. 19. Pass to 27. 27. Take a shot. No. Number 14. Number 2 again, get the ball.
Time out, JP Slater.
Okay.
Time out, JP Slater. Time out.
Time out!
David.
Davis, paint unleaded.
Unmerited.
Ang bossing na elastomeric paint. Tara, sumama ka sa'kin. Huwag ka na aking kamay. Tayo ay maglalakbay. Yeah! Happy viewing! Sa nagagandaan at nagkakagapuhang mga lalaki. Back to the ball game. Tonyas Tega draw. Good. Second draw. Not count.
Wale.
Forced by maraming number. Pass by number 6. Number 6, cool down. Pass by 19. Pass to 21. Get off. Up your way forward. Out of bounds. Baby Spain outlet. Ball possession. Pinasa po sa number 6. Number 6. Yan. Number 19. 14. Purpesta po ang 14. Number 19. Dribble the ball. Number 19. Legend, pass to number 6. Pass again. Take a 3. Point! Joseph Johnson by the Brisbane on left. Up. Who's foul up? Number 21.
21 pa.
Salamat sa ating mabuting mga manonood. Oh, net counted. Second try. Net counted. Let's take it. Oh! Number 7 rebound the ball. Dribble. Forced by number 30. Pass by number 21. Good! Number 19. Number 9 dribble the ball. Forced by number 34. Passed by number 6. 6. Pinipersa po ng mga dalawang number. Dalawang numero. Ayun na po. Seconds. 3, 2, 1. Shot! And for the third quarter. Yes.
End of third.
Yeah. Number scored by Davis Payne on land 4-4 and Steph Cleveland Green 39. Laban Gibeon, ang bagong liga para sa kalikasan. Back to the ball game. Yeah.
Ano ba yun?
Possession by Steph Green. Pakitakin lang po ang ating jersey. Maraming salamat po.
Kahoy.
Ayan na po. Hindi na siya sa number 8. Hindi ball. Pinas sa number 2.
Tiniwil press. About that! 3 point! 14. 5 fouls. Nakasulat din sa logbook.
Kanina.
14, may technical foul po ang 14. May technical po ang 14.
Magkamali yan.
Official daw, sa official, sa logbook. Sila kasi nag-ano eh. Sila nagsusulat.
Huwag ka daw masyadong magsalita.
Ano po, sa logbook po kasi tayo naka-base. Hindi po tayo.
Kasalanan mo, announcer. Huwag ka na mag-announce.
Ang nag-announce po kasi kanina si Tito Boy. Ang binibase po natin, kung naka-base po tayo sa logbook kasi sila po kasi nagsusulat.
Eh, sa announcer sila bumabasa.
Hindi po sila...
Awayan na. 44, 42. Oh, dalawa na lang.
Tawag pa namin kayo pagka kailangan namin kayo.
Sports lang ah. Paano yun?
Naka-baseball si tayo, pasensya na po. Ang nagsulat po at yung taga-tingin po yung sila po yung nagsusulat dito.
Pakilagyan na natin sa delay.